I would recommend BMW of Bakersfield to friends and family because of their commitment to quality and helpful service. They have been great service people, as well as getting us the best discounts possible. Even after my car accident in my first i3, they were great in getting me into my second. We were rear-ended at about 60 miles per hour by a Toyota truck. Our car did not even go more than 2 feet forward, and the carbon fiber chassis took all of the impact. Without the BMW i3, who knows what would have happened, because we think we would have hit the car in front of us. From crash to date, it was 2 months exactly that I was able to get my brand new car, exactly what I wanted with it. It would not have been possible without the help of BMW of Bakersfield.